How to trap horseflies. Horseflies are one of 30 types of bloodletting flies. These large flies are more than just pesky, they carry disease, such as equine infectious anemia. Horseflies lay their eggs near organic matter, such as horse manure. These hardy insects are barely affected by insecticides. The best defense against horseflies is to kill them with attractive bait traps. An effective horsefly trap prevents females from laying eggs and biting, ultimately reducing the horsefly population and protecting you and your animals from harmful bites. Things you'll need: 2-liter soda bottle, box cutter knife, screwdriver, twine, bowl, ½ cup white sugar, ½ cup white vinegar, spoon. Remove the cap off a 2-liter soda bottle and throw it away. Cut the plastic bottle approximately 4 inches below the neck of the bottle. Use box cutters to carefully cut the bottle. Turn the upper portion of the bottle upside down so the mouth of the bottle is pointing down. Insert the upper portion into the lower portion so it forms a sort of funnel into the rest of the bottle. Pierce 4 holes through the top of the horsefly trap about 1 inch below the top. Space the holes evenly apart to go around the entire top. Thread a length of about 2 feet of twine through each hole. Knot the twine near the hole to secure both portions of the bottle together. Bring the 4 ends together above the center of the bottle and secure them with a knot. This knot also serves as the hanger for your horsefly trap. Pour 2 cups of water into a bowl. Stir in ½ cup of white sugar and ½ cup of white vinegar until the sugar is dissolved. Add the vinegar and sugar horsefly bait to the trap. Hang the trap in your barn or other area where horseflies are prevalent. Tips: warnings. Change to a fresh trap every 2 to 3 days. As flies accumulate in the trap, it will begin to stink. Supplement the horsefly bait trap with fly paper to keep flies away from humans and animals.